Hi, I am Shemi from EL Software Solutions. Now I am going to show you how to use the EasyLab software for your laboratory. EasyLab software is the best and the simplest and easiest laboratory software for your laboratory. This is the main screen, login screen of EasyLab. Here you can enter username and password, then press login. This is the main screen of EasyLab software. See patient entry and reports, tools, accounts, log screen, view report, etc. This patient entry screen will open the billing screen. Reports, inside the reports, you can see daily collection for viewing your statements, daily statements like daily collection, uh, doctor-wise statement, test process, etc. Then there is a tools menu. Here you can create or edit test. You can create new test or change the test name, rate, and reference range, unit, etc. Also, in the second menu, this is a group creation for creating groups like lipid profile, LFT, RFT, etc. After that, you can see default value option. There is an option to enter the default values of certain tests. After that, you can see the manage users. From there, you can create new users inside your laboratory. There you can create lab in charges, lab technicians, etc. And we can import their signatures, their names, everything. After that, there is a doctor list. You can see or edit the doctor list. There is locations also. And this lab details will display your lab name and lab address, phone number, etc. for printing on the bills. Then there is application settings. There you can, by using this, you can manage the settings of the entire application. And there is a price list export option. Using this, you can export your entire price list of your tests. And there is export customer data. Using this, you can export your customer details, including phone number to your an Excel file, and then you can use for the marketing purpose. Then there is activities log. It is for viewing the software activities. After that, there is a backup setting. In this backup setting, you can set the backup destination like USB or hard disk. So the software will automatically back up the entire data to that specified location for your safety. And there is an about button there from there you can see the our contact details. After that, there is an accounts menu. From here, you can enter the purchase bills, payments, receipts, etc. And there is a lock screen button. This is for your safety. Like if you are moving from your computer, you can just press the F10 button or lock screen. Then after coming back, you have to enter the password to use the software again. In this way, no unauthorized access will happen. This view report option is for easily accessing the reports for printing, patient test results for printing. On the right side top, you can see a calendar. From there you can see every date-wise patient details. Here you can see the patient's bill number here and patient name on the second column and the patient age on the third column and the billing time. What is the time of the patient's each billing? Here, this is a color-coded list. In this list, you can simply identify which one is paid or not. This bill number, if the bill number is red, that means there is some payment pending for this bill. And if the bill number is green, that means there is no balance. And if the patient name is in red, that means the test is still pending. That means it may be pending or it is not approved. If it is green, that means the report is ready and ready to print or approved. From here, you can simply access the bill and the patient uh, results also. Open the bill from here by clicking the bill number. Like this way, you can open the patient result by clicking this patient name here. Okay, then you can see all the reports already printed, entered. If there is no reports, you can just enter the patient value here. After entering the value, or you can view the report like this. Here, there is an option to print, export, all the necessary options are here. If you want to open directly the report from bill, an old bill, you can have the open report button. This will directly open the result screen. Now I will show you how to create a new bill using EasyLab software. This is the billing screen. You can enter the patient details here. This is the patient title, Mr. or Mrs. And you can enter this your patient name here like this. Then enter the patient's age, then male or female you can select, and patient phone number. If the patient phone number is less than 10 digits, it will show like this in red color. And after that, you can enter email address, location, like this. You can enter the patient's nearest location, like to identify from your lab. Okay, then after that, you can enter the referred user, doctor name, with the qualifications. After that, you can select the test name. There you can press type the test code, short code like this, FBS, RBS like this, or you can enter the test name like random blood sugar, something like that. If you have a group of tests like lipid profile, then you can select lipid profile or LFT, something like that. If the tests are finished, then you can enter, then type the cash which is paid by the customer. There is an option to enter the UPI or Google Pay also. And here you can see the discount option also. If you type any discount, then you must enter the reason of the discount while saving the bill. It will be asking like this. So you must enter the reason of the discount, like if it's a friends or family or something like that. Now, if you press OK, the bill will be saved. Now the entry option will come for the next patient. Now let us see how to edit an old bill by adding new test or editing the patient information or patient's age, phone number, etc. For that, you can just click on the bill number here in the right side below the calendar, then open the bill. From there, you can delete any test if you need or edit the customer if you want from here. Edit the customer, then enter the patient's details or change the patient details, then save the customer. Otherwise, you can add another test, then you can type the test name here and add this test like this. Then after adding the test, you can save the bill. If you want to print the bill, you can have the option to print the bill. For bill printing, you can use the laser or inkjet printer with A5 size paper. A5 means the half size of A4 paper. Otherwise, you can use the thermal printer if you have them. You can select the application settings with the thermal printer compatibility. Then it will be printing to the thermal printer also. From the screen, you can look on top. You can see previous bill, next bill, and cancel bill option also. You must have the administrator privileges to cancel the bill. And on the right side, you can see the old balance. Like if the same patient is having any pending amount on the previous bill, and you or the patient will may forget this. In this case, software will show you this is the old bill payment pending. And in the left side down, you can see an export bill option. This will create a bill copy like in PDF. And you can print the test request also. This is for your laboratory purpose inside the laboratory to keep your logs. Now I will show you how to enter the patient result. For opening the patient report result, you can click on the patient name. Then you can see the test which is built on the bill on for the patient. So once your result is ready, you can click here and type your patient's report like this. After enter, you can put the result. Then you can save like this. While saving, the software have a cool option to display the high or low value alert like this. If this is actually the actual result is this, then you can press yes. Or if there is any typing mistake, you can press the no button and edit the and correct the values, then save it again. Now I am going to press yes. Now see, this is the report, the like print format is here. You can just approve and print it. Without approving, you cannot print any bills. For approving, you must have the lab in charge permissions. Otherwise, you cannot approve the patient report. Or only the authorized person can approve the result. Once you approve it, it will show you like this. Print options will be enabled. Now you cannot use this export PDF, email, WhatsApp buttons because this patient didn't pay the full amount. Otherwise, if this is paid full, then only you can press this export PDF buttons. Now I will show you some cool options in the result entry screen. Here, this is the result entry screen. I am clicking to enter the fasting report. Now you can see left side there is a black screen came. This have the old two reports, like the previous report of the same patient. So you can verify the correlation and if you want to repeat the test again, you can simply do it and then change the values necessary like this. And there is one more option like here you can see patient review. In this screen, you can see the patient's entire history like this. See, you can see all the patient's test with the dates and the values also. In this way, you can get a exact view of the patient's history. And there is a option like move up or move down button because with for moving up and down there is a test order in the print. So if you want to print the uric acid first, you can move up or glucose fasting first, then you can move down like this, then save the report. And there is one auto calculation option in liquid profile, LFT, and such text for easy test entry. And if there is a high value, it will be displayed in the bold letters like this. If this is showing yes, then you can see this report is in bold letters. In the same way, you will get an alert in case the result is very low also. Now, if you want to print your result with your letterhead, then there is an option to print with letterhead also in white paper. Now you can see this is without a letterhead report. If you want with letterhead, you can simply click this show header option and press yes, then save the report. Then you can see with the letterhead. If you give your letterhead design, we will import the file to our software and then your letterhead will come on this page. If you have a color printer, then you will get a perfect color paper print with this result also. And this letterhead will be displayed on the PDF also for sending through email or your WhatsApp. Now let us see the daily statements like here in the daily collection. You can see the daily statement like this. In this, you can select the from or to dates like to get report between the date range. And there is option. Now you can see the daily statement here. There is 5 bills today and the patient name, doctor name, amount, total amount, discount received and pending is displayed here. And you can see there is 5 total bills and this is the UPI payment received through Google Pay or any other payment mode. And you can see the cash in hand also here. All these report will be possible to export to Excel, export to PDF, and print also. Like this, you can see daily statement, pending, doctor-wise statement, purchases, payments, test process, the cancel bill, etc. Now I will show you how to create and edit the new test. You can go to tools and create or edit test. From here, you can see all the tests inside our laboratory software. There is a test code, test name, section, rate, and unit, normal range, etc. So from in this yellow column, you can filter the results like this, the page, test like this. See, now I put blue GLU, then it filtered with the name GLU inside the test. From here, you can edit the test value, rate, and unit, reference range, everything you can do from here. If you want to add a test, you can click here, add test, then create the new test also. Now I will show you how to create a package or group like lipid profile, LFT, etc. In the tools menu, you can go to this create or edit groups. From here, you can see all the groups are here. This is a basic health checkup. Inside that, there is this much test like sugar, PPBS, lipid profile, liver function, etc. In for a page break, you can add a page break also like this. So all the group have the rate here. You can simply type the rate here and change it. If you want to create a new group, you can click the create new group or you can rename the group also. Once you click the test group, you can see the inside the group test in this section. In this way, you can create many test groups or packages as per your need. If you want to reorder the test, you can simply move down, move up like this. And if you want to add a test inside this group, you can click add test and then the test name. Then you can add the test also into the group. If you don't want the test inside this group, you can simply select this test, then press the delete button. Then the test will be deleted from here. After that, you can save the result like this. Now, in this tools menu, you will have many other options like edit default values, add or edit default values. From here, you can create a default value for each test like this. Okay. Then you can create many users like from here, you can add new username and designation, and you can create a password also for them. If you want to print the user signature on PDF or on the result, you can upload the signature also. If you want to print their name on the report, you can change this from lab in charge to their name, and their designation also can be typed here, and it will be printed on their corresponding reports where they are approved that report. In there is a doctor list option also. This from here you can edit the doctor's list and add their email ID and phone number also for us for your reference. And there is a locations list. This will be this is no need because this will be automatically added on your system as per your billing information. The doctor name and the locations also added automatically. In the fresh software, there will be no data about the doctors and locations. It will be automatically learned by the software using our technologies and added automatically the list into this, and it will be automatically showing on while the billing entry like this. Like you can see like this. This is the locations like this. It will be displaying all the locations automatically. And same way, you can see all the doctor list also automatic saved. And there is another option like lab details. This is the main settings for your lab, laboratory name, laboratory location, phone number, email ID, everything for printing on your reports or your bills. And this is the letterhead export option. You can add your letterhead header or footer to be printed on the test report or on the PDF. And there is an application settings option. You can select the printers and so many printing related or report related test settings here. And there is export price list option. From here, you can export all the price list. And there is export customer data log activity. And this is the backup setting option. You can select the backup folder from here to any folder as you like. It can be a USB also for your safety. Then if it is a USB, then the software will be backed up the data to the USB. And if in case the hard disk is failed or computer is totally lost, then also you can get the data backup, customer details, everything from that USB. And there is accounts option. From here, you can enter the purchase bills, like selecting the supplier name, invoice number, invoice date, and the product details like this, syringe, batch, and expiry, rate, quantity, etc. In this way, you can create the bills here, the purchase bills, and you can enter the payment receipts in case any cash received from any suppliers or persons like your suppliers. In the same way, you can click this payment option to pay the bills, say supplier payments, everything. If you are open as supplier details, you can see their total payment pending also here. And you can add the supplier name through this screen, and you can add the product details through this screen. Here you can see all the products like cholesterol, sugar, and syringe, etc. Now this is the option to lock screen, and here you can open the report from here. Any report wanted like this. See, all the report is open directly by simply entering the bill number. From here, you can directly print the bill result like this and print here. This will print automatically to your default printer. If you want to select the printer while printing to any specific printer, you can click on the select printer option, then print. Then it will show the printers installed on your computer. To there, you can select the printer and print it. In the same way, you can export this to a PDF, or if you configure your email ID and password, then the software will can send through your email to the patients. And this email to referrer is for sending the reports to your referred doctor. And there is a WhatsApp button. It will open your WhatsApp through WhatsApp web, and you can send this PDF report to your WhatsApp, a patient's WhatsApp. These are the options inside EC Lab. If you want a trial, we got a 15-day free trial. You can request for the free trial, and you can use all the options and features through that trial. We will be connecting to your computer through remote access. Then we will install the software to your computer. Then you can simply learn the software and use it. Thank you very much for giving your time to watch this video. Thanks a lot.